your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off, and keep the aisle clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items like tablets and cell phones. To help keep our cabin clean, please take any remaining waste items with you and place them in the trash bin as you exit the aircraft or inside the terminal. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful as items may have shifted in flight. You may now use your cell phone. American Airlines and our Runway partners, thank you for flying with us today. We hope to see you again soon. And we will be arriving into Philadelphia, gate C as in Charlie 26. And if you're picking up any checked bags, they're going to be in carousel number 19.